Let's say you want to learn about cloud computing or you want to get started in cloud computing and you just generally don't know where to start. Well, welcome to part 6 of our cloud series, and today we're going to talk about the cloud certifications. Now, these are certifications that help you get started. The certifications that also help me get an understanding of what cloud computing is before I ventured into all the other different areas within cloud computing. Now, when you're starting out, I highly recommend that you start with your Cloud Fundamental certification. Now, both AWS and Azure have their own Cloud Fundamental certification. Now, from an Azure perspective, they call it the Azure Microsoft Certified Fundamentals. And then on AWS, it's called the AWS Cloud Practitioner. So those are the two certifications that you will get for AWS and Azure in order for you to get started. They will really introduce you to the core basic concepts of cloud computing. Now you'll find that the concepts between these two are going to be relatively the same. It's just a difference of what they call their individual services. Could be the same service, but Microsoft will have a different name for it, and AWS will also have a different name. So the certifications really cover the core basics, which is majority of the things that we're going to be talking about in this series. So if you want to get started into cloud computing, you have to look into the AWS Cloud Practitioner and the Azure fundamentals. Now, in terms of where you can get this content, so on Azure, you've got microsoftlearn.com. That's where you can access the Azure fundamentals. And on AWS, they've got the AWS skills built, and that's where you get your AWS content to prepare for the certification exams, essentially.